all you cool cats and kittens. Y'all ready to learn about culture? Sorry, that was weird. All right, intro to culture. I labeled activities with numbers so you guys would know how many you have. The first activity is to define culture. So we're going to watch this video right here. And then this is kind of an intro to culture. And then put the definitions for each of these terms. You can use the internet if you would like. That is fine. Number 2, read about the Nasarima. So the Nasarima is a society that we're going to be reading aloud. I'm going to have a read aloud link right here, and the reading link is right here. It's a short 2-page, I think, well, 3-page almost reading. If you would like to read it along with me, because the language, since it's an anthropologist analyzing a society, it's going to have a little bit more challenging language, but that's okay because there's a read aloud along with it. All right, back to the assignment. Then, after you've read the reading, you're going to go to the next activity, which is summarize the reading. So summary should be a review. You're condensing the story into who, what, when, where, why happened. Who, what, when, where, why. Yes. So you're condensing what happened into a short summary. I have a template right here where you guys are going to brainstorm and answer those questions. It's kind of like to help you condense it because it's a longer reading. And then you're going to write 5 sentences for your summary. So summarizing is condensing the story into the most important facts. You're pulling the most important details out of the story. So who is the story about? What did they do? When did it take place? Where did they live? Why was this written? These are the 5 questions that you guys need to answer. So you don't have to answer the questions in complete sentences, but it's just kind of like a rough draft to help you for your paragraph. So your first sentence should be, who is the story about? What did they do? When did it take place? Where did they live? All of those things should be in your summary paragraph, if that makes sense. The last thing is vocab and I think it's the last thing. Yeah, vocab and context clues. Find the definition for the terms using context clues from the reading. So for example, we've got household shrine, shrine box chest, medicine men, ritual fast, ceremonial feast. So I would go back to my reading that was on the second activity. I would click on here. I would search in this for, what was the first one? Control F is a search, by the way. Household shrine. So it says it a couple times, and we're going to spell shrine wrong. It says it twice. So we're going to read the sentence from which we get this. So it says, the charm is not disposed of after it has served its purpose, but is placed in the charm box of the household shrine. So using the context clues, what is a household shrine based on this story? Okay. To recap for this assignment, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's labeled wrong. 4 activities. The first one is to define culture. The second one is to read about the Nasarima. The third is to summarize the reading. The fourth is to find context clues for each of these terms. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. Then you've got a paragraph to write. And then you've got 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So basically 10 terms and a summary of the reading. I'm going to allow us to finish this on Monday. So we're starting this on Friday and finishing it on Monday. And we're going to talk about it on Tuesday. So at the beginning of class, we're going to go over it. Alrighty. Happy reading. Bye.